How to call from iPhone using WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can call from iPhone using WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that I recommend you guys take is head over to your App Store and search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, there you will see the WhatsApp Messenger app. Make sure that you've updated it to the latest version. If you see the update button like this, tap on update button and update the app. After you update the app, you can then open up your WhatsApp and head over to any DM or any person that you want to call to. So let's say I want to call this friend right here, and if I tap on his profile on the top right, I'll see two options. One is to call them using audio, the other is to call them using video. So I can tap on either one and simply call my friend. Now if you're having trouble calling them, what you can do is you can head over to the settings app. Then after you head over to the settings app, scroll down all the way till you find the apps section, tap on it and search for WhatsApp. So search for WhatsApp, and after you search for WhatsApp, tap on it, and after you tap on WhatsApp, there you will see the microphone option and the camera option. Simply enable both for WhatsApp, and after you enable both for WhatsApp, you should be able to call. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.